number 2154, 2017 Infiniti QX80. Front end assembly inspection video. It's got a couple of issues, but a great starting spot for your rebuild. Definitely down a driver's side fender. The flares obviously scraped up pretty good. You could probably save that. The fender's not good. The driver's side headlight scraped here on the corner. Otherwise, it's nice and complete. Good to go there. Separate headlight washers. Got your running lights, fog lights. Also has your park assist. We have an adaptive cruise sensor there. Lower grille there. The lower grille chrome is good. A little bit of a scratch there. Made it. Bumper covers cracked here. Passenger side, so that's going to have to be replaced. That's your passenger side fog light, running light. Passenger side headlight, nice and complete. Get your passenger side fender. A little bit of damage down here at the heel, kind of tucked away. Includes your flare. Your upper grille is nice and complete. Good to go there. Chrome's around. All the honeycomb inserts. Got your camera. Go take a look here at the hood. Hood's got some scratches, some scrapes down here, driver's side corner. Otherwise, the hood is good to go. That's easily workable there. As with all our front ends, you got your cooling, so you got your radiator and condenser, your other miscellaneous coolers. You're gonna have your underhood plastics and your fender liners. There's your fuse box, washer bottle. They have your coolant res there. Here. You can see the cooling. It's there. Pop in, see if we can see up underneath here. It's hard to see, but everything's good there. Ballast. That. Over here. Passenger side. No visible damage there. See if you can pierce down and see the radar for the cruise control. It's in there. It's hard to get here with the camera. Stock number 2154, 2017 Infiniti QX80 front end assembly in stock now.